You're 20s. Sure. No money. No experience. But you have the biggest advantage of all, time. So the real question is, can you start investing even if you have $0? In this video, I will walk you through how someone in their 20s, starting with absolutely nothing, built the foundation of fin. And here's the part that will surprise you. Most of your first investments don't require money at all. Part 1. Your biggest investment in your 20s is not money. In your 20s, your financial life is not shaped by how much you earn. It's shaped by how you use your time. You may have $0 today, but you have 40 years ahead of you. $100 invested for 40 years, huge wealth. $10,000 invested after age 40, much less. This is why 90% of Warren Buffett's wealth came after he turned 60, because the power is not in the amount of money, but in the time you give it. In this video, I'll show you actionable investment models you can start even if you're broke. Why most people never start investing in their 20s. The reason is simple. People fall into these 3 traps. I'll start when I earn more. That day never comes. Your expenses rise with your income. Always. Wrong priorities. New phones, clothes, cars. Short-term pleasures, long-term damage. Impatience. People want results in 30 days. Real wealth begins to grow after 3 years. From here on, this video will give you a system that destroys these 3 obstacles. 4 types of investments you can start with $0. 1. Knowledge investment, no money needed. Studies show that reading 2 books a month increases annual income by up to 40% within 3 years. Because turning knowledge into money is the fastest investment model of our era. What you can learn. Money management principles of the wealthy. Financial literacy. Psychology of investing. High-income skills. This investment makes you money before you even start earning more, because it stops you from losing money. You can't invest until you stop the financia. Skill investment, $0-100. A single skill can completely reshape your lifetime income. Today, thanks to the internet, skills like video editing, coding, graphic design, voiceover, AI-assisted content creation, online marketing can be learned within a few months. These skills give you the fuel for your future investments. 3. Micro-investing. Start with $1 to $5. The amount doesn't matter. The habit does. Rule. Small but. ETFs, index funds, crypto, fractional shares. You can start with literally $1. The hidden power. The snowball effect. $1, $2, $4, $8. Small at first, unstoppable later. 4. System investment requires discus. Wealth does not come from high income. It comes from behavior systems. Here are the 3 systems you must build in your 20s. Automatic investing. 10% of your income goes to investments automatically. If you don't see it, you don't spend it. Expense classification. The rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% investing. Avoiding debt. Debt is renting your future. You cannot build wealth while paying interest. The shared strategy of people who became wealthy from 0 in their 20s. Netflix, games, phones, social media. Most people lose their attention daily. But financially successful young people have one thing in common. They don't buy distractions. They control their attention. Here's the critical secret. Fire before you earn money. Increase your ability to earn money. This means improve your skills. Increase your earning potential. Create value. Money always follows value. Most people say, I can't start, I don't have money. The smart ones say, I'll create value, and the money will show up. Part 5. Your first 12-month roadmap, starting from 0. If you follow this plan, by the end of 1 year, you will not only be investing. You'll be earning more and building a financial foundation. Months 1 to 3, knowledge plus skill foundation. Read 2 books a month. Choose and learn 1 skill. Build your expense system. First micro investment, $1 to $5. Months 4 to 6, increase your income. First small freelancing jobs. Invest 10 to 20% of your income. Remove toxic expenses. Build a small side income. Months 7 to 12, real investing begins. Set up automatic investing. Consistently invest $50 to $100 monthly. Start your own small online project. Build passive income sources. After 12 months, you're no longer someone who wants to invest. You are an investor. Clapperboard final message. Your 20s shape your financial destiny. I'll say it clearly. Having zero money in your 20s is not the problem. The real problem is how you use your time. Knowledge plus skill plus small consistent investments equals a path to financial freedom, even if you start with nothing. The next 40 years of your life will be shaped by the steps you take today. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, it's never too late to begin building wealth.